In today's video, we'll be looking at how to solo individual layers inside of Affinity. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity. And now with that said, let's get started with the video. So whenever you're working in Affinity in a big project or a large image composition that would have multiple layers inside of the layers panel in order to deal with, then in those cases you can use layer soloing. So basically what layer soloing is whenever working on a large composition, you might come across many numbers of layers inside of the layers panel. In those cases, let's say we want to check out individual layers or edit individual layers accordingly by only viewing that particular layer instead of other layers in our composition, then in those cases, you can use layer soloing. To demonstrate, let's say if I want to check the boat that you see here in front of the other boats in this composition, then in that case, we can simply select the boat 2 inside of the layers panel and then use the magical shortcut key of Option and hold it, and Alt if you are using Windows, and then simply click on the thumbnail of boat 2 inside of the layers panel, and now you'll be able to see only that individual layers inside of your composition and then edit it accordingly. Similarly, in order to come out of this solo layering view, we can again hold down the Option key and then click on the thumbnail icon again in order to come out, or we can simply click on any other layers inside of the layers panel. So you can use these two approaches in order to come out of the solo layering mode. Similarly, we can also solo layer any mask. So for example, like before, if I hold down the Option key and then select any layer mask of any layer, then in those case, it will solo layer that individual mask. So for example, let me select boat 3 now, and now I'll hold down the Option key and then again click or left click on the mask thumbnail instead of the actual layer thumbnail. So in this case, you can now see that it will show us the mask view of both 3 layers. So similarly, in order to come out from the layer mask solo layering, there's only one approach, which is to use the Option key and then left click on the thumbnail icon in order to come out in the case of layer mask. Similarly, we can also use this particular shortcut key in order to solo layer group of layers. So for example, you can see here I have different cloud layers that I have masked here and grouped them inside of one group named clouds. So what I'll do is I'll collapse by using the icon on the left of the clouds group and then use the shortcut key of Option and then click on the thumbnail again, and now you can see that when clicking on the thumbnail of a group, it will show all the elements individually inside of that group. So I'll be using the Option key again and holding it down, and if you are using Windows, you can use the Alt key and then simply left click on the mouse in order to come out of solo layering mode. Similarly, if I scroll to the top inside of the layers panel, we have curves adjustment at the top that is currently being applied to this image. Let's say I want to mask out curves adjustment. So in order to do that, we can simply use the brush tool and then by adjusting the foreground color to black, brush out the areas right here, which are the areas of the island like so. Now after we have brushed over these areas, you can see that a new mask has been automatically added to our curves adjustment layer. So in this case or scenario as well, we can use the shortcut key of Option or Alt and then click on the mask to view how the mask is currently looking and adjust it further inside of the mask by solo layering that particular mask that we have simply added for the curves adjustment layer. So in order to come out, we can again use the shortcut key of Option and click on the mask like so, which would give us the overall composition of the image. So I hope you get the idea of solo layering inside of Affinity. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button And for more helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.